Assalamualaikum, in the beginning, the name of Allah is myself, Mike, and most merciful. So in this video we are going to do formatting in HTML. So we are going to open our VS Code. This is our Visual Studio. We are going to wait some time. And as you can see, it had opened. So we are going to make new file 2.html. 2.html. So first we are going to write a doc. So we are going to write here. So now we are going to write in the body. First we are going to see sub. First we are going to see sub formatting. So to see some formatting, first we have to write a paragraph. And going to cut it and post it here. What I am going to write here, Subhan, A plus 2, wait, I am going to write here 2 and A. Then save it, go live. And as you can see, the A is down. If I do sub, duplicate it and sub to sub like this, A will become up, and the sub means that the A will become down, any letter will become down, and sub means that the letter will become down. Now we are going to see formatting tag ins. I am going to write here ins and hello. So it will be underlined. So I am duplicated one more time and going to write here del. So it will be del. Save it, so it will be cut. If I duplicate it one more time and write here mark, we are done mark, save it. So it have a yellow color. We are going to duplicate one more time and going to write here small, so it will be smaller. If I do it big, so it will be big. So it will be big. If I so these was our formatting tags. So this was our formatting video of HTML. I am going to meet you next time.